Welcome, welcome. When you're designing your email template in Brevo, aside from previewing between desktop and mobile, you can send a test email by clicking on this icon at the top. Even to send test emails, you still need to contact Brevo support to enable that for you before the first time you send one. Go to the right and select from the recipient dropdown, search for a contact, but the contact has to be added to your contact list. So there it changes the personalization for the first name attribute here. If you want to send it to yourself, you also need to have your email, your test email address uploaded to the contact list. And once you populate the recipient field, you can send a test email. If you're outside of the Brevo email design area, you don't have to go all the way into the design lab to test it. You can go to campaigns in the left navigation menu. Under templates, select email templates, and then select your email from the list. Then you can use the test button up here. Brevo loads this modal so you can enter the email address for which you want to test and click on send a test. You can also send it to a test list. So list the emails that you have here. By default, it'll load the test email list, which you can configure in the settings. The settings which can be found under campaigns, settings, and add your test recipients, your test email addresses that is, and make sure you click to save it. If you want more content on working with digital marketing, audience, customer, or user data, subscribe to the channel.